What's going on, guys? Gabe with the View Dork. Now, this is a midday recap for AMC, and once we started this recording, we saw some boom booms. Now, we are on the daily chart here because what I would like to see, ideally, is price action to then get above this trend line so we could then have continuation. Now, let's look at the minute chart. Let's talk about what happened today. We're going to go ahead and zoom out. We had the morning sell-off. We formed a double bottom or a GW, and then AMC found a consolidation. Now, consolidation, you guys have heard many times that consolidation is a good thing, but the duration of consolidation is also something that you want to pay attention to as well. So we have consolidation in this channel starting at or about 1020. And it consolidated for nearly 40 minutes. Then we broke out of this trend and we hit what's known as the demand zone. So the demand zone, the structure began here before AMC made a move to the upside. And then you could see price action hit demand. And then now we are showing strength to the upside. Now let's jump on Twitter. Adam Aaron, you filthy, hairy son of a bitch ape, you. Happy birthday. You're Libra. Makes you cool. Today's my birthday, October 1st. We made it out of September alive. Now, he tweeted something, and this bodes well for the travel and leisure and hospitality industry. But we have Merck with a COVID pill. And I decided to do a little research because, well, Merck was up 7-8%. And Merck says the COVID antiviral pill halves the risk of hospitalization and death. This is very bullish to me, and not just for AMC, but for the industries that depend on people. Well, October, thank you, because September was the worst September in a decade. Applejack's 10 years ago, how old were you?
10 years ago, I was 11 years old.
His nuts dropped, but we put that in perspective. The kid was 11, 12 years old. Now he's married and paying rent and siphoning my bank account for his salary. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the volume here. But compared to the volume yesterday, we saw a little FOMO happen yesterday, but there was a good news catalyst, and we'll talk about that in a second. However, this is what I would like to see, an uptick in volume, because AMC was rather flat, and we saw that trend in volume go downward, and we also saw the price go down with it. So an increase in volume is a good thing, but there was a catalyst. AMC decided they wanted to pay their fucking bills. Good job, AMC. So they're relieving themselves of very high interest debt, and that's something every company should do, and that's something you should do when you manage your own household finances. So let's go ahead and look at what's happening with the SPY. We're going to hit refresh so we get the latest data. And the SPY, it's making a move to the upside. I'm telling you guys, people, they're just happy to get the hell out of September. Now, let's look at some data here on Stonko Tracker. 46,000 calls in the money. And if AMC hits 40, that's 17,000 additional calls. So what I want to do is actually look and fast forward to January of 2022, the week of the 21st, because there is a lot of open interest in this area here. So we have 133,000 calls currently in the money and 216,000 calls currently out the money. And I know some of you probably YOLO'd into the $145 call expiring in January. And you know what? We're rooting for you. We want to see AMC make that move, that very strong move, that 5-time move that we saw when AMC ran from the 14s to 72. And guys, look, it's Friday. AMC's green, currently trading at 39.48 and 39.56. This is a critical line for me. I feel that if AMC breaks 39.56 this afternoon, that we could see a major run to the upside and help those guys with the $40 call options. We want to help you print. But that's pretty much it. This is your noon midday recap of AMC. And yeah, I got to go eat some birthday cake. Peace.